remove all headaches when it comes to bookkeeping, and that is why they are top of our gratitude list. And they consistently, month after month, deliver above and beyond. So I am no longer having a monthly or quarterly headache because Fuad and the team just sort everything out, which is wonderful. We started working with Fuad and the team back in May 2023. From the outset, they have looked to meet all of our needs, to fully understand what the business requires and what we as the client needs. Their understanding and knowledge of the Xero software is extensive. Whenever it is that we require reports to be pulled down for specific projects in terms of budgeting or planning, they can pull those down and beautifully presented and easily digestible. Their monthly and quarterly reporting is always on time. It's all very straightforward. I just have to drop all of our invoices and receipts into a Google Drive and they work their magic. Their communications is excellent. We primarily communicate via email, and whenever I have a request or a query, they are back to me well within an hour, and the communication is always clear and concise and efficient.